Yeah, so I've not done much of anything today. Um, it's been raining kind of off and on. It's not raining right now, which is a good thing. Um, it's been a warm rain though. It's like 65 degrees, which is crazy considering last week we were, freezing, ice on the roads and everything. Um, so yeah, it's been a warm rain, but it's still rainy enough where I don't want to be outside. So yeah, just thought I'd drop a little note, tell y'all hi. I'm still here, still hanging out. I have some mushrooms in the my little walkway growing off of the wood bark and the decay. There's some more there. The yeah. Again, it's 65 degrees, so it's warm enough that mushrooms will grow. And craziness. I don't know if you can hear it. Some bird calling. All right, well, I'm gonna go outside or inside. Get out of the humidity and the, the moisture that's out here. Saying, yeah, say it's supposed to be colder by tomorrow, and sunny by Saturday, Sunday time frame. So I'll probably have to run the lawnmower and kind of mulch down some of these leaves. But that's it. No specific plans. And I'll talk at you later.